Hello, I'm Master123, and this is day 2 of the 5-day trick and tutorial week, whatever you want to call it. And today we're going to do a little blast from the past. So, 13 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 2 queens. Have the spectator mix up the 13 cards, whatever, I don't care, doesn't matter. And have them pick a card, pick this card, 4 of hearts, shuffle the cards, let jazz, everything. 1 queen on top, 1 queen on the bottom, and now we're going to spell out between the 2 red queens, B-E-T-W-E-E-N, T-H-E-T-W-O-R-E-D Q-U-E-E-N-S. So then as we spread out the cards, there's 1 card between the 2 red queens, and that card happens to be the 4 of hearts. Okay, so how this works is 13 cards, 2 queens, really free choice, any card, 2 diamonds, and then put it on the top, do a riffle shuffle, keep it on top, and then force it to the bottom, however you want, do an overhand shuffle or something, and then the rest is basically self-working. Put the 2 queens, 1 on top, 1 on the bottom, and don't do that though. Make sure it's on the bottom, and then spell it between the 2 red queens, B-E-T-W-E-E-N. Make sure you, after every word, you're putting the pack back on top. T-H-E-T-W-O-R-E-D Q-U-E-E-N-S. Now there'd be 1 card between the 2 red queens, and that would be the chosen card. Little fun fact, when I did this video a few years ago, I think, yeah, like last year, I used the Bicycle Prestige deck, and I am giving away this deck. So if you want a chance to win this deck, please subscribe, comment, like the video, check out yesterday's video if you did not check it out already, and stay tuned for tomorrow's video.